If you want to create realistic images in Leonardo AI, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're making portraits, product-style images, or cinematic scenes, the key is choosing the right model, setting your image properly, and writing prompts that guide the AI toward real-world detail instead of a painted look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. First, open Leonardo AI and go to your workspace. Once you're inside, click the Image menu button in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll start building your image. Next, choose your preferred model. For realistic results, look for a model that is specifically designed for realism. That matters because realistic models are much better at creating natural skin texture, believable lighting, and details that look like an actual photo instead of digital art. After that, set your quality. If you want sharper and more detailed output, choose a higher quality setting. Then set your image dimensions based on the type of image you want to create. For example, a square format works well for profile-style images, while wider dimensions are better for landscape or cinematic scenes. Once that's done, choose the number of generations you want. If you're experimenting, you may want multiple generations so you can compare results and pick the best one. Now find the text prompt bar. This is where the magic happens. If you already have a photo you want to use as a guide, click the upload button and select an image from your local storage. Using a reference image can help Leonardo match composition, pose, lighting, and realism much more accurately. Just make sure your reference photo has natural lighting and real-world proportions, because that gives the AI better visual cues for believable shadows and depth. Now, it's time to generate your image. Type your text prompt and try to think like a photographer. Focus on real-world details like specific lighting conditions, camera lens angles, natural skin texture, and subtle imperfections in materials or surfaces. Those small details can make a huge difference in how realistic the final image looks. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create the image. After it finishes, review the results and adjust your prompt, model, or settings if needed until you get the style you want. The more specific you are, the more realistic your images will become. So that's how to create realistic images in Leonardo AI in just a few steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.